Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we take a look here at the progression of Edge, and also what's happening basically with the browser market. This is what you see here from June to December, but if we would actually project this throughout a year, it doesn't really change much. What we see is that the browser market is kind of saturated with the same thing. It's that basically the browser that is dominant is Chrome, and it went up and down slightly, but overall throughout the year it maintained pretty much its dominance and moved from 67 to 69%, but always stayed in that bracket. Kind of interesting to see how it's really got a solid grip on the browser market. You also see that a lot of people are complaining of different little things with Google Chrome, and some people are complaining of how much it takes in resource and so on. Still, people are not moving away from it. It's kind of interesting to see. So at the top there, that green line is really Google Chrome. The second browser that's the most popular is Edge, and that is the blue line right down here. It hasn't gained much. When you look at, from the beginning to the end of the year, it barely took 2%. It's really, really moving very slow. And if you look at the other browsers, be it Safari is a Mac-only browser, but Firefox and Opera, which are the two last ones in orange and red, nobody's gaining momentum. Nobody's really moving. We just end up with something that isn't changing. And I guess it shows us how difficult it is to change habits, first of all. And I find it interesting to see what could happen. Is anything possible that could change this in the near future? Right now, not really. And you take a look back at 2022 and you see how much it actually, Google Chrome had some security flaws in 0 days, and still nothing changed, doesn't budge. People are just staying with their habits of Google Chrome as the main browser. And I guess this is, what's going to still be 2023. People using the same old thing all the time. Reminds me of the dominance of Internet Explorer way back in the day, where it was so high and, it seemed like nothing could have changed that. If you like my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos.